Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable or enable randomized MAC addresses on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on the search bar and search for build number. Open the build number option. Now tap on build number about 5 to 10 times until you see the message that says developer mode has been enabled. Once that's done, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on developer options. Inside developer options, scroll down until you find the Wi-Fi section. Here you'll see the option called Wi-Fi non-persistent MAC randomization. When this option is enabled, your device's MAC address may change every time it connects to a Wi-Fi network that supports MAC randomization. You can enable or disable this option depending on your preference. After making your selection, go back to the main settings page. Now tap on Connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap the gear icon next to the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. Scroll down and tap on View More if you see that option. Then look for the MAC address type setting. Here you can choose between Phone MAC and Randomized MAC. Select Phone MAC if you want to disable randomized MAC addresses. Or select Randomized MAC if you want to enable MAC address randomization for the Wi-Fi network. Your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.